how to use emotes in Blox Fruits. So first, just go to the Roblox website right here. Then go to your avatar here on the left side of your screen. Then wait for it to load. Then once you're there, just simply click on animations here. And a drop down menu will pop up. Just simply click on the emotes option. And the emotes will pop up right here. Then click on the equip emotes just below the animations button. So here, as you can see, I've already have 2 equipped emotes. And if you want to remove them, just simply click on that particular emote and click on the X button right there. But if you want to add them back, just simply click on the blank space or the blank emote right here. Then click the emote that you want to add right there, and I'll add other one. For the 4th one, the hello emote. And once you're done, you can just exit out of this. You could also buy emotes in the marketplace if you want, as you can see right here. So now we're just gonna open up Blox Fruits. And now once you're here on Blox Fruits, to do the emote, what you need to do is just simply tap on the chat or go to the chat right here and type in /e, then type in the name of the emote, let's say hello, and click on enter. And as you can see, I did the emote. You could also do the number on what is arranged on your emote wheel. So as you can see, the hello emote was number 4, so I'm gonna click on number 4 on my keyboard, click on enter. As you can see, it did the same emote. You could also do other numbers like number 2, for example. It also did that particular emote. And that's how I basically use emotes in Blox Fruits.